Accordingly, as you know, there's been quite a lot of issues pertaining to the Fiji Cancer Society. We received a number of allegations in respect of the funding, financing, administration, etc. of the Fiji Cancer Society. As a result of which, and as provided for under the Amended Act, we have today nullified or revoked, I should say, pursuant to Section 13B2 of the Charitable Trust Act, the appointments of all office bearers under the Fiji Cancer Society, including the trustees, the board of directors, and all office bearers, and have appointed in its place a three-member committee, which will essentially investigate all the complaints against the various board members, trustees, any office bearers, and also the various financial anomalies apparently that have arisen in respect to Fiji Cancer Society. The three committee members are, the chairperson is the former High Court Judge Nazhat Shameem, Dr. James Fong, and of course we have a third member, which is Mr. Wira. They bring different skill sets. Mr. Wira is the Chief Financial Officer for the CJ Group of CJ Patel Companies. He's a financial controller, obviously. He'll need to investigate the financial anomalies that have been alleged within Fiji Cancer Society. Dr. James Fong, as you know, is a well-known and respected medical practitioner who is with the Fijian government, but also has an area of expertise regarding cancer patients, etc., oncology, and of course former High Court Judge Nazhat Shameem, who brings about good governance expertise and the legal issues that may arise because of the anomalies that have been alleged regarding Fiji Cancer Society. Government is very perturbed by these allegations. We've also been given some factual material where funds have been used perhaps not in the right manner or what it was intended for. We understand there's also been abuse of property regarding Fiji Cancer Society. We understand there's also been some politicians who've got involved in the fray in terms of the usage of the funds. So Fiji Cancer Society plays a very pivotal and critical role in terms of providing support for those people who have cancer. As you know, the Fijian government, in particular the Bainimarama government, has provided a lot of medical care and attention in terms of improving the medical facilities available, and of course the Fiji Cancer Society within that particular approach to medical care plays a pivotal role, and therefore it is critical that the Fiji Cancer Society, where a lot of people also donate funds to, you have the people shaving their hair and getting donations, we have people doing walkathons, etc. So obviously a lot of public funds by way of individual taxpayers of this country, citizens of this country, put their trust in this organization. We want to ensure that their monies are used wisely and obviously for the right purpose, for what it was intended for or given for. So that's the situation. As we speak, Dr. James Fong is down at the Fiji Cancer Society office managing the handover, and we hope that they will very soon put together a report that will essentially highlight what are the anomalies and respond to the various allegations and put the Fiji Cancer Society back on track.